Hello guys, good morning to all of you, and today that we have to know the combination sentence of yours maybe plus before and subject plus did not plus V1. That how can you connect that each other and you can make a meaningful sentence the before anybody. This that is very perfect for you. This is very essential for you, that where you can learn that how to make a meaningful sentence, that whenever that you know the structures of both things, that maybe plus before and subject plus did not plus V1. I told you that in my last videos that I think so if you know the single things, that it is not enough, it is not sufficient for you to speak English, that you should have the different things, you should have the different combinations of different sentences by which that you can just connect that each other and you can make a lot of sentences, and it will help you, it will cooperate you that while making sentences. Okay, let's go to study this combination sentence of both things. How can we make it easily for every guys? Maybe plus this before and this subject plus did not plus verb 1. It is related that will be the use a, ya, a, e. It is related with रहा होगा, रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी, रही होगी. Always you watch that in different videos that there are a lot of that single individual structures, and that individual structures that cannot make you learn the English. If you have I think so, more than more structures, and way there that you should know the how to connect, how to add that someone in that circumstance, that you will be capable to speak English. Otherwise really just you will be that on the halfway and you will just abstain from the English. That's why it's very necessary. As you say, वह खा रहा होगा, वह खा रहा होगा, इसलिए वह नहीं आया, इसलिए वह नहीं आया. This long sentence, वह खा रहा होगा, वह खा रहा होगा, it means that you have to sort out the from here subject plus may be plus V4. You have to sort out. वह खा रहा होगा, it means that वह English is he. Next may be, he may be, खा रहा होगा, खाना, eating, he may be eating, इसलिए that's why वह नहीं आया. It means आया, a, e. It is from your negative sentence. That's why नहीं आया, नहीं गया, नहीं दिया, बात नहीं किया, नहीं सुना, नहीं पूछा, ध्यान नहीं दिया, नहीं सोए, नहीं लिखे, नहीं दिए, नहीं पूछे, नहीं खाए, नहीं बुलाए, निमंत्रण नहीं दिए, वह नहीं गई, नहीं आई. Like that, lot of negative sentence stand front of you, and to sort out this that you have to use did not. मैं नहीं गया, I did not go. वह नहीं आया, he did not come. हम लोग नहीं सुने, we did not listen. तुम नहीं समझा, you did not understand. Like that we have to connect here. इसलिए वह नहीं आया, इसलिए that's why वह English he, after that did not and आना English come, that's why he did not come. You think the guy If you know only वह खा रहा होगा, he may be eating, and you don't know the how to connect this, वह नहीं आया, then how can you sort out this? Have you thought ever? If you have not thought, then just start to think, start to that imagine that from now, by the help of these structures, the where that you have to make that forward the lot of sentences, lot of long sentences, and these all the structures will cooperate to you while making sentence. That it's very important for you, it's very essential for you. He may be eating, that's why he did not come. Next sentence. उसकी माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही होगी. उसकी माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही होगी. उसकी माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही होगी, इसलिए वह नहीं खाया. इसलिए वह नहीं खाया. उसकी माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही होगी, इसलिए वो नहीं खाया. जस्ट वी इमेजिन, ऐसा हम लोग कल्पना करते हैं. तो हम लोग सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं? यहां पर उसकी माँ यानी कि नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, तो मे नॉट बी. पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको जो नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव सब कुछ बताया था, तो यहां पर आप नेगेटिव को फॉलो करेंगे. मे के बाद नॉट के बाद बी आप यूज करेंगे आसानी से. उसकी माँ पैसे नहीं दे रही होगी, उसकी माँ के लिए आप हिज मदर यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि मेल के लिए आप यूज कर रहे हैं. हिज मॉम मे नॉट बी देना, गिविंग पैसा, मनी. इसलिए दैट्स वाई वह नहीं खाया. ही डिड नॉट, खाना इंग्लिश ईट, ही did not eat. Like this, that you can that combine that each other when that you know that only the single structures, but you have to connect with other structures that where it can give you a long sentence and meaningful sentence. Okay, that for today, that's it. Again, next video that you keep watching, and you will have a lot of structures and combination sentences the front of you. That's why it's very necessary. Keep watching and keep watching.